Alright, real people, the real things. Majorate the vibes and floor to ceiling. Hey world, this is the phenomenal Majah Bless and you're in tune to the vibes. You don't know the real Get a Youth has arrived. I'll get a youth for survive, I'll get a youth for strive. This is the vibes. Kingston, no rivers in its interior. Jamaica, Japan, Jamaica, Jamaica, Japan, Jupiter. Wait. Jamaica, Japan. One more with J, man. How that could slip me? Afghanistan. So Manchester, St. Elizabeth, and yeah, 200 in Roman numerals, XXV, something like so. All right, guess what? Every time I snap my finger, we'll be transported the humanity timeline. I would snap my finger twice, for sure, but I would be afraid to end up in the crucifixion of the Christ, because I know I would have been one of Christ's disciples, and the other day I was reading how they crucified the disciples wickedly, so I would be afraid to end up there. Also, I always consider myself a true Jew, so I remember about the persecution of the Jews as well. And I would have transport myself to when they were destroying King Solomon's temple, because I would have wanted to help with the fight, but also it was an horrific situation for the Jews as well. Synesthesia. What? Synesthesia. Cynestesia. If I were the world's king, you know, I would have make you see like how they plant like all those flowers on the roadside and in the parks. I would have made them fruit trees. I think that is one of the ways we can stop world hunger. You see all those homeless and, you know, insane persons on the street. When they want food, they could just pick it from the parks. So Emancipation Park, instead of we have all those plants that don't bear any fruits that we eat, I would have just grow fruit trees in the middle of the street where we have all those palm trees that don't bear fruits. I would have just grow fruit trees so people can just access food everywhere you go. Alright, so I'm a person, I love music. I listen to all type of music. Are we are talking about what? The reggae Grammys? Yes, I listen to all type of music. So I would recommend Tarrus Riley. Now because I'm calling 5 names, I love all of the artists, I love music. But I would recommend Tarrus Riley, Ikea, love Ikea's music. I would recommend Dexter Daps. I think Dexter Daps is a phenomenal performer, you know, A-class artist who are ready for the world. I would recommend Bounty Killer. Bounty for getting Grammy, man, for all of the humanitarian work Bounty has been doing. And all of the great musical works, Bounty, get him Grammy. I would recommend Sizzla Kalonji for continuously burning the fire from way back when and keeping the reggae vibration alive. So those are my 5. Alright, so in the animal kingdom, I would be a honeybee. Because you know the honeybee plays a vital role in the world. The honeybee pollinate the earth, you know. Without the honeybee, we wouldn't have all the trees, and we depend on the trees for our oxygen. So I would have been the honeybee. That one is so tricky, you know. Because as a Rasta person, I believe that everything exists for a reason. But just to answer the question, maybe I wouldn't put a skunk on the ark. Because I was in New Jersey one time and a skunk came in the house and sprayed the house. And like for a week straight, I couldn't even get it off my clothes. You know, so I would have put a skunk on the ark. I wouldn't put snakes on the ark. Because you know it was the serpent who come down and come tempt Eve and make all of this thing happen. So I don't know why we have snakes in at this time. So no snakes on the ark. I wouldn't put alligators on the ark. You know? Because I think they are part of the reptile family too. And reptile cannot be tamed. Reptile always eat them own children and all of them stuff there. So reptile cannot be tamed. No alligators on the ark. One more. I wouldn't put. Boy, let me tell you who I'm going to put and then I come back to those two. I would have definitely put butterflies on the ark. You know? I would have put lions on the ark. Because, you know, Rastaman, lion of the tribe of Judah. So without the symbolism and the strength of the lion, then we wouldn't have that to look to. So the lion definitely would have been on the ark. I wouldn't put eagles on the ark, and I wouldn't put bear on the ark. Because the Bible says the eagle, the dragon, and the bear are going to cause all of this end time prophecy. So definitely, them things they are cut out of the ark, and so we can save humanity. I would have put all the fishes on the ark. Why? Alright, so I would have put all that, you know, because a lot of people depend on the seas for survival. Like I was reading about some fishermen who got charged $4 for fishing, you know, which I think is unjust. Let me state that. So I would have put that on the ark because a lot of people defend and depend on the seas for survival. So, how much that I gone? See, yeah, about 5-5 that now, man. A threat. A threat that I would have put on the ark. Can it be a mythical creature or a creature that we know? Alright, so I would have put. What? The one you hold me. A threat. Threat for who? And I would have put that on the ark. Yes. Alright, so you see when we put all the fishes, we're not putting a shark on the ark. I changed that about myself. I love myself. Wake up every morning and just looking at the mirror and say, good morning, Majah. Yeah, man. Alright, so one thing I would have changed about myself. To be more focused. That I would have changed. You know? Because growing up, I was just all over the place, feeling that the Father blessed me with many talents, so we're not focused, you know? So we DJ, we do poetry, we do visual arts, we teach, you know, all the stuff. But if you're focused, and I'm saying this to everybody, if you're focused on one thing, then definitely you're going to be great and renowned for that thing. So focus. Well, right now, this is Majah Bless. I see all the vibes that make me look like fool. Right now, I have to go back to school. But kids, education is the golden rule. Use education as a tool. Right now, let's take a break. Welcome back. You're in tune to the vibes. All you beautiful people, get alive. Riddle me this now, riddle me that. Listen when Majah Bless a chat. Seed bag. Match, kerosene lamp, candle, and a fireplace. I would have liked the kerosene lamp first. No, the match to light the kerosene lamp. G. Ear. Ear. table, chair, tripod. Yeah, I feel bright for now and I mean, up. Banks. Well, right now, if I'm wrong, I go wrong and strong. Let's see if Majah Bless know these songs. My woman a give me problem, she a give me problem. Give me problem, how me can solve them. Right now, me say, girl love the man, them we funny. And she love the man, them we have the money. Hey, no. People, me no make up them there, you know. You know, say I have some little artists in my area like Big Star and Righteous and them youth there. I don't know them, man, but trust me, them song the real, man. You're one of the people. I love you. Wicked. Hey, you have good police and bad police. You have good cop and bad cop. Yay! When I was young, I used to have fun. Now I'm old and cold. Yeah, big up yourself, Righteous. If I could turn back the hands of time. Pow! Pop. Oh, all right, the brand new skill event. Pop. Entertainment, Mr. Entertainment. All right, now I like for now. Can't hey, we can't figure out through the entertainment. I want the rough. Ladies and gentlemen, prince and princesses, this is Majah Bless and we are live on the vibe. Now we're going to take our next break, all right? Stay with us. Welcome back, beautiful people. Majah Bless, live here on the vibes. So I'm motivated first by the Most High. Then I think my mother, she gave me the fervor for words because my mother is a poet, Sister Ngozi. Big up yourself all the way in London. So growing up in the house, seeing her writing poetry, I think that is where I got this artistical vibration from. My biggest accomplishment, I would say children. Children are my blessings, you know? That's the legacy that I am leaving here. Whatever I've learned and achieved, and pass it down and instill it in them, and that will continue for generations to come. So it's not material things, not any award. Children are my blessing, accomplishment. So make we bring dancehall back. Majah Bless on a dancehall track. Yeah. So you see, dancehall, the dancehall culture, definitely I see that deteriorating. Why? The first thing is because all the sound systems are being turned off. And when you were growing up, the sound system provided an opportunity for youth, upcoming artists, to practice and to get better at their skills. So if you turn off the dancehall, then that school, that avenue that they used to have to learn and to get better at their craft is not there, then definitely the thing are going to deteriorate. So we get less quality songs, less quality performances because, you know, we don't have that avenue. What's popping with Majah? Right now I just started a Vivo channel for the first. So please subscribe to Majah Bless Vivo and I place a brand new music video there for you. Alright, it's called Prayer. And the words are so inspirational, you need to go over there. Majah Bless, MAJAHBLESS, Vivo, and check it out. The song is called Prayer. It's a lovely music video featuring the lovely Pepita, formerly of Intense. You know, she's the lead actress in it. So do go and check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, was so awesome being here at the Vibes today. Big up the producers backstage. Them give me a lot of trouble, but it's all good vibration because guess what? This is the Vibes, right? Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica, we're there.